Hey guys, it's Bandaid Girl coming back to you with a wacky video. Today I am going to upgrade some of my old worn out clothes into some fancy pink. I found these at Savers and they're nice pastel pink, but they're pretty faded. And I wanted something a little bit brighter. It's got some smudge marks that I just couldn't scrub off. Hoping the paint covers the stains. All-purpose paint, let's go! Oh my god, I've been using the wrong mic. That is so embarrassing. Anyway, I tried to scrub the smudges off the best I can, or could. Look at that color, dude. Oh man, I probably could have dumped these in the Rit dye too, but I already had the paint and I wanted to see how it looked. I wanted to use it on something. I know this is a real landlord move, but I'm just gonna paint over the little windows, because you can just scratch that off. That'll be fun. It's a fun activity. Alright, it's time to seal it. Gotta protect it from the elements, you know. Yeah, it's been a while since I sprayed anything, spray paint, any of that. Here they are! They are so cute! It's not as bright as I want it to be, but it matches my tights and a lot of my other clothes, so it's perfect. It definitely looks so much better than before. These are pretty cute, right? But they could be cuter. Oh, I'm a school bully now. Now I'm off to the country club, don't wait up. So I took the stencil route, which is probably a mistake, but I went for it. This is my first ever attempt at making a stencil. I figured the easiest shape to do would be a heart. It sounded nice and cute. First I put the pants on and I put painter's tape where my knees were so I could make sure that it fit. And the hearts looked good in that position. It would have been way easier to just cut out one of the hearts and then trace it onto the other one, but I didn't think of that. Also, this part, I could not get the little blade to go through, so I just used scissors. Now it's time to harvest some cardboard. It was difficult at first, but you know what? I got it done. You just gotta sit in it like a cat. Now I'm putting cardboard in the legs so the paint doesn't bleed on through to the other side. Here's a fun trick. Put more coverage over the things that you don't want to be painted, because I did not use enough. And I'm using the Tulip Color Shot paint. It looks pretty good. It's definitely a heart. Oh, whoops. This is how they turned out. I mean, they're not perfectly on my knees. I dig it though. It reminds me of 80s Barbie fashion and Doodle Bears. Now what kind of video would this be if Moo didn't have a cameo? Now we're getting to the good stuff. It's time to break out the Rit dye. We've got our hot water, we've got our salt, we've got our dish soap. I did need assistance with, honestly, this whole thing. I didn't trust myself to not get it everywhere. I am too clumsy for this highly concentrated dye. But of course, I had to be the one to put the shirts in.
So should I put this one in too?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch that dip.
Oh.
Shit, I spilled wine. What do I do?
Oh,
Just
it's
tie
a
the whole
Dudley
thing.
dip.
It's a Dudley dip. Ah. Ah. Let's do a double dip. Ah.
I was starting to feel like Charlie's mom from Willy Wonka with her big old laundry soup. Check it out, dude. It's just like The Shining. Time to rinse. This is how they looked when they were still wet. The pink one, what am I saying? They're both pink. The striped one looks a lot less pink in the light. It looks more of like a reddish pink. That's the orange glow of the bathroom. Look at that bubblegum pink. Ooh, chef's kiss. However, not as bright as I wanted. This one I am way happier with. I'm feeling like an e-girl now. Hell yeah. Well, if you think we're done, bro, next time there's a part 2. I've got more stuff in store. Thank you for watching.